All right, traders, it's Mark here. Happy Tuesday, gang. Well, I didn't get a video out yesterday. There was nothing to do as far as the forex stuff, and I've scaled back on my updates on the day trading. I'll give you guys an update tomorrow for the week. But what I want to do tonight is I want to run through some stats on the L24. So I started trading this on January 1st. Here we are, January 9th. And so as of yesterday, gang, I had a total of 20 trades. So there have been 20 trades from January 1st till current, and that's through my list of 9 pairs here. And gang, look, I know a lot of you have probably more forex experience than I do. So if there's any pairs on here that I'm missing, will you please post it in the comment section and I'll add these, or if there's any pairs you all want to watch, just post it in there and I'll add them to my list here, okay? Because I only have, what was it, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so out of 11 pairs, I've had 20 trades, and I have 11 losers, 9 winners. So that's if I'm using the ATR. So let's just make an assumption that you're risking $100 a trade. So you would have $1,100 in losses, and if you're risking $100, you're going for $500, correct? So you'd have $4,500 in wins minus your $1,100 in losses. Gang, that's $3,400. Never risking more than $100 per trade. And that's if you took every trade. Now, is that feasible? No, it's not. But even if you caught half of them, which that should be feasible, then you're doing pretty well. So let's go through a couple updates real quick. Here are some things I'm looking for right now. I'd be looking for a trade here on the pound CAD. Now, it would have to come down here by midnight my time, because this line will stop printing at midnight. Now there's a chance I get a new line that still prints in this zone, and if that's the case, I'll be looking for a trade there. Okay, the pound Aussie actually set up yesterday. I think it was a pound Aussie. Let this thing update here. Okay, no, never mind. This is actually a current trade. So my entry on this one would have been 73.09. Your ATR is 19, so I'd have a 19 pip stop, and then I would re-enter 19 pips down, okay? So risking 19 on this one. So just take that multiple times 5, and that's your target. So the target here is going to be what? Was it 90? No, it'll be 95. So 95. So your target's going to be 95 pips. Okay, so pound Aussie, current trade. The New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. You have an L24 inside of your zone. So your entry is going to be 89.08. Your ATR is 14. So you're going to have a 14 pip stop, 70 pip target. And I would re-enter if I got stopped out. So I'd have my entry here, and then I have another entry 14 pips down. Both would be a 70 pip target. The Swiss yen actually set up yesterday. Let's walk through it real quick. Right here. So you can see I have this zone inside of the daily zone. So my entry would have been 1564, 14 pip stop, so you get a stop out. So you have 64 to 78, and then a re-entry at 78 to target. So 1 win, 1 loss. The dollar CAD set up today, and it had 2 losses, so I would have been stopped out twice on the dollar CAD, and my entry would have been right here at this L24. So 2 stop outs. And then the dollar yen. Again, there would have been 2 stop outs on this one. I would have had this zone inside of a zone. My entry would have been up here at 64 with a 14 pip stop, so that takes me down to 50. Re-entry at 50, down to 36. Okay, so current positions that I have would be the pound Aussie and the New Zealand CAD, and I'm waiting for the pound CAD to see if it wants to come down and set up in this area. Alright gang, hope you're having a great week. I'll catch you soon.